Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. Let's start with opening the settings and in this left section scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and enter more security and privacy. And as you can see in the security section, we've got installation sources, so let's tap. And here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course you can change it. So simply tap on the switcher on it and your device will ask you whether you really want to undo it because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So just tap on allowed to confirm, and from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course you can remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.